Hey y'all, what up? Today, we're gonna be going crazy. So, today is the day that I make a good video. A good YouTube video. So, we're gonna get going on my YouTube video. So, like and subscribe, and we'll have fun. Paintball gun. So, I'm gonna have you guys watch me do this while I do it. So, I'm going to go outside with a water gun with my brother, and we're gonna have a water gun fight. So, garage door open. Have fun watching. So, you can watch me and my brother do that as it happens. So, I should find something to lean you guys against really quickly. And I'm going to lean you up against this so you can see what we're going to do. So you can see the paintball fight. So, I will go get my brother and we'll do this paintball fight. So, let's go. What are we doing? Get your one. Hello. I'm back with my brother, and we are going to do a paintball water gun fight. A paintball water gun fight? So go get your water gun, and we're gonna fight.
Oh, I don't think this is a good idea.
We're outside, so it is.
No, my foot.
Get shoes on.
What?
There we go. My gun is working. Cold water on hot sunburn is the best thing to have. So, my brother's gonna get his water gun. He's gonna come out, and we are going to have a water gun fight. So stay tuned for the water gun fight. I'm gonna start testing out my gun. Looks pretty good. Test it. Works perfectly. So, we're gonna go crazy.
Have you seen my gun?
Probably on the couch.
Which one?
So,
Which one? Which couch?
stay tuned for part 2 of the water gun fight. Bye.